Welcome back to digital class, and this is a discussion for the reproduction and plants and animals. So let's look at this question together. Study the flower shown below. Two parts of the flower were removed. Now, a very important thing here is again, there are parts of the flower, two parts of the flowers that's being removed. But after some time, the flower still could develop into a fruit. So which two parts of the flowers were removed? So you can somehow guess that two parts are not important to help. Again, it's not that important to help the flower to develop into fruit. Okay? And again, in order for the flower to develop into fruit, something should happen, which is what? Fertilization. Okay? So fertilization is what? Where the male and female reproductive cells fuse together, right? So now let's look at W. W, this is enter, right? Okay, so enter, is it very important? Of course it's important. But what happened is I can have a different flower, right? Different flower. Okay, and I can have this enter to help to pollinate, right? Then fertilization occurs later on. Means that W I actually can kind of donate also can. Okay, kind of that. Okay, in this case. How about X? X is stigma. Stigma, yes, is very important. Why? Because it receives, right, pollen grain, then it will go inside. So without stigma to receive, it can't happen. So X is very important. So W, X, Y, Z. W don't need also can, but X is very important. How about Y? Y is petals, is actually for it to attract pollinators. But does it have in the very main role in fertilization or develop into a fruit? Not really, right? Okay, so Y I think we can remove. How about Z? Z is this part. Let me just. Z is inside the ovaries. So do you think it's important? Of course it's important. Without it, this is actually kind of nothing can happen, right? I think this is pointing the ovules, okay? So it's very important. So which two parts that can be removed? W and Y, which is actually option number 2. Now, but I just need to clarify that all of these parts are actually important, but the one that taking main role is actually X and Z, which is the female reproductive parts. Okay, so that's all for this question. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.